Academy. This is today's trip to the Busted City Tour. This is something that no district that I've worked at has ever done, and I love this. It's a great way to kind of learn their area, see what opportunities are available for field trips, and just get excited before the actual work begins.
Crown Academy has been amazing. I felt most importantly well supported. This is not flattery. I really felt well supported. Everyone was friendly. Everyone was kind. Everyone was ready to give you direction, to help you, assistance. If you had any issues, they were there to assist you. The instructors were amazing.